And we arrive to the question number 15. What is the value of the new text? And we have here a text that is equals to this crazy string, and then we have a new text that is equals to an empty string, and for each char in text we are calling two functions, the chr and the function ord, or just simply ord. Okay, to the function ord we provide the char, and to the function chr we provide 1 plus ord char. Okay, then we add the resulting string to the new text. Okay, so the options that we have here are A, Python is easy, B, Python is good, C, Python on the moon, and D, Python is cool. Of course, to know the result of these, we must print the new text variable. Okay, let me open the terminal and let's execute this, and the result is Python is cool. So the right option is the option D. Let's understand how this code works. For that, we need to know what the chr function and the ord function do. The ord function returns an integer that represents the Unicode code point of a specified character. In the other hand, the chr function returns a character that represents the specified Unicode code point. In a simple way, the ord function translates a letter into a number, and the chr function translates a number into a letter. Is just that. Now let's take a look to this simple table, and this simple table is usually known as the ASCII table. Notice that each char have its own code. If you want to get these codes, you just need to run this simple for loop. Also, we have different codes for lowercase letters, and again, we just need a for loop to get the codes of each letter. Notice that this second for loop have lowercase letters. Okay, let's see how this works step by step. Python starts with the letter O, then the function ord gets the code for the letter O, so we get 79. 79 plus 1 is equals to 80, so the function chr gets the char with the code 80, so we get the letter P. Then Python goes to the next letter, the letter X. Again, the ord function translates the char X into a number. The number is 120. 120 plus 1 is equals to 121. The function chr gets the char with the code 121, so we get the letter Y. Again, Python goes to the next letter, the letter S, and again the function ord translates S into a number, so we get 115. 115 plus 1 is 116. Again, the function chr translates the number into a char, so we get the letter T. Let's do a fast forward on this. Finally, the last letter, K. The ord function gets the code for K is 107. 107 plus 1 is 108. And finally, the chr function gets the char for 108. So we get the letter L. And we get the string Python is cool.